Right, it's 2 o'clock, so obviously it was raining, so I couldn't let them out. So yeah, so I see a plate. Why is a plate like this? Hello, I can see you. Where's Mademoiselle? Hello.
Hi. Hi. Hello, Julia, my little fluff, my little baby.
Is Pelusa in there? Because she's very... You can't really see her, can you? No, you can't really see her because she's literally just hiding under there. Oh, yeah. I hope it's not raining. Please don't rain. Because it rained. There's possibility it might rain again. Okay, let me see. Ah, Jesus. Hello. There we go. So we are going to use... Where's the stick? Please don't tell me they threw away the stick. Uh-oh. Somebody threw the stick. Somebody threw the stick. Whatever. I'll just use this one. I don't know where the other one is. Someone threw it. Oh, Jesus. My mum's going to be pissed. Unless my mum put it away somewhere. So let me just... There we go. Oh, Pelusa, you nearly... What on earth happened to you? What did you had a good time with the hay? She looks like she just came up from her bedtime hay. Hi, sweetie. Come on. Hi. Oh God, your room. Oh, why are you pooing there, mate? These little nuggets are pooing on their plate. Oh well. No worries. Okay. Don't fly yet. 1 second. So let me just pause you. So yeah. Not today, sweetie. It's too cold right now. It is too cold for them. No. They're not gonna waste my time on... I'm just gonna put this like this because you can't really trust the weather. She's having a good... So right now I'm going to shop. I need to go to the supermarket for a second just to get the bags for... I need to get 3 types of bag. I need to get the bags for the rabbits bin, the bunny bin, and the bunny and the hen bunny bin, and then I need to get the food bin. Yeah, the for the recycling food bin, and I also need to get the baby bags, the one you use when you clean for the nappies for the babies. Hey, what are you doing? That's not yours. That's the rabbit's. No, leave it. There you go. Yeah, I can't be bothered to take off the shoes, so we're going to use these shoes right now. So let's put the shoes. Yeah, they're ugly, but they're very helpful because they're easy to put on. They're easy to take them off. To take off. I'm gonna let my rabbit roam around a bit. I'm just going to close this door. Maybe I'll just leave the door open from the garden and leave the rabbits in so they can come in. Right. Oh. Look at my babies. Look at you. Look at him. He's just so cute. Just sitting, just chilling. They don't want to come out. Okay. I'm with you off. I'll be back, guys. Right, so I need to get the bin bags for the baby bin bags for the toilet bin. I need to get the small bags for this one.